Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Evernote. Organize notes across devices step by step clearly. First, make sure your device is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. On a computer, open your web browser and go to Evernote.com to access Evernote Web. If you prefer the app, download Evernote from the App Store on iPhone or iPad. On Android, open Google Play Store and install the Evernote app. On Windows or Mac, you can also download the Evernote desktop app from Evernote.com/download. After installation, open Evernote on your device. On the welcome screen, select Login. Enter the email address you used when creating your Evernote account. Click or tap Continue to proceed. Type your Evernote password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Select Login to sign into your account. If you use Google, Apple, or another sign-in method, choose that option on the login screen. Follow the prompts to approve the sign-in with your Google or Apple account. If you enabled two-step verification, enter the security code sent to your email or Authenticator app. If you do not remember your password, click or tap Forgot Password. Check your email inbox for the reset message from Evernote. Open the email and click the reset link. Then create a new password. Return to Evernote and log in again using your updated password. Once you are logged in, allow any requested permissions so the app works correctly. Wait a moment for your notes to sync, especially if you have many notebooks. To confirm syncing, create a new note and type a short test message. On your second device, open Evernote and log in with the same account. Check if the test note appears, which confirms cross-device synchronization. If notes do not sync, pull down to refresh on mobile or click Sync on desktop. Make sure you are using the same Evernote account on every device. Go to Settings or Account to verify your email and subscription status if needed. Keep Evernote updated to the latest version to avoid login and sync issues. For better organization, create notebooks and use tags so your notes stay easy to find everywhere. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.